Hey, Eleanor. Grandma's got another really fun story for you today. Do you know what bears do in the wintertime? How do they find enough to eat? They're really big animals, aren't they? Well, did you know that bears hibernate? That means they sleep all winter long. They fall asleep when it starts getting cold, and then they wake up when it gets warmer. This is a story, a very silly one called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Oh, look at all of the animals looking at Bear. Huh. And he's just sleeping away. Now, let's see. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. You can just barely see him. Look at all the snow in the woods. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear sleeps on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. He's cold, he's looking for a warm place to sleep. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. And so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Oh goodness, can a mouse really build a fire? No, this is a pretend story, isn't it? Oh goodness, the coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Oh goodness, the fire's making some noises, but he's not even waking up. Do you see what's over here? Oh my gosh, look at that. There's a cup and an ear of corn? I wonder whose food that is and whose cup. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. A bunny rabbit or a hare. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Aha, there's the tea kettle sitting over the fire, and Hare likes his tea in a cup. Oh, maybe that was his cup. Oh, maybe it was Bear's cup. And oh, it looks like Mouse has a little acorn cup and some white popcorn. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. Even the slurps and the burps don't wake up the bear, do they? A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yum. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up and cozy down and dig in." Wow, they're all sharing, aren't they? Bear doesn't know it, but he's sharing too. He's sharing his cave. They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. What do you think would happen if the bear woke up? Would all these animals go running away? Don't bears eat small animals? I wonder if he's going to wake up. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Oh, look, they dug a hole in the floor and came on up. And then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Wow, 4 more animals. Mole stutters, "What a night! What a storm, twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. How many animals do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait, I forgot that one. 7. And of course, there's Bear. So 8. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. There he is. Can you see him? In a cave, in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Oh my goodness. Want me to bring that closer? Can you see the bear? Whoa. Look, they're all dancing and partying, and the bear's just sleeping right along. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Oh, they're cooking stew. And then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, pepper in the nose. What's going to happen? A small pepper fleck makes the bear, achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. He's awake. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh boy. They look scared. They look scared. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and stomps. Bear growls and grumbles. Uh-oh. Look at Hare. Look at Mouse. Look at the bird, the wren. They're getting ready to fly out and run out. Yikes. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me? I was sleeping, and I've had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh no, he's crying, boo-hoo. You had fun, and I had none. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Oh, Mouse is being really brave and kind, isn't he? Bear gulps and he gobbles and he sighs with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh, now look who's sleeping. All of his friends are snoring and he's wide awake. Did that ever happen to you? Did you ever wake up in the middle of the night? Maybe a noise woke you up and you couldn't go back to sleep? Oh goodness, what a silly story. Bear has lots of new friends, doesn't he? Yep, and they certainly didn't know that Bear would be their friend, but I think they're really happy to have a new friend. Bear snores on. Cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. Grandma had fun reading it, and you have a nice day. I love you, Eleanor. Bye-bye.